How to log in to Weverse. So if you want to log into Weverse, then first you need to open up Weverse application. Make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've opened, you can go for a login or join, which is on the bottom of your screen. And then you need to enter your email address that you have used to create your account. So enter your email address and then tap on continue with this email. And here you need to enter your password. So make sure to enter your correct password. But if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot your password, which is here, so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password. And once you've entered, tap on login. And that's it. You need to tap on allow and then agree. Okay. And that's it. That's how you log into your Weverse account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.